la suncityradioonline.com. Yata wada kakle la Sun City TV. Na miakponu itutwe ajiyem la fama. Atonga dotomi la Nyatapa Radio Kingdom FM kula Revival FM. Ikama katangodo www.suncityradioonline.com. Right, so Salomia Gagara Jarodo Yaji Anumakama Adojana Honorable Farmer Halabamia Agada Jarodo Yajito Himakarijiba Miela Klalo La Miapo Nopo Vovo Volta Nutuakata Mia La Tojiba Nyamo Kokwado Nava Madojana Honorable Farmer Diana Mia Agada Janumaka Honorable where's our farmer dia?
Yo Patrick Madon Di Boko Ne Udo Hachio, Sun City Management, Dwaja.
Okay.
Your party Monolao, regional officers, constituency officers, the rank and file of the party. Anglo Dukogata, Maduk Banundia, honorable assembly members of the Kita Municipal Assembly. And other assemblies, so Katan, Shikaba, processes are Romotogan Kakayoma, one Romotogan Kakayoma, which processes are guided by law or by an act of parliament. Ikaba process you are a sir, Dodo, a sir, an act of parliament which is a primary legislation, just as the constitution of the land. So, Maduk Banama Shaman, the voter regime,
okay.
Maduk Bana, other political parties who are also involved in this process.
Okay.
The local government process is very much a non-partisan process. Yes, though may have some political underpinning, but it's a non-partisan structure. The centralization process, so, Madu Bendi Boko Nama Shaman, but one Miagadaman.
Right, honorable Mia Hogbano, Makarajiba Dwajaha, O Hogbano, voter region Kata, Otodomo, Alaba, Jajodo, former Kata, O Jarodoya come live. Komakarajiba Kakara voter, Nutoma Kataga, Kafimia Gada, MMDC open nomination, Yaoja Dongway, Koshirabama Hafi, Honorable Dan Bochu, and Adon Koadogia, and Badashia the Dwaja, Vieto, voter Kata. Kuda alaye wo home kowe na nyabon kodo nke na bana da gbadashi adogi
Patrick akpa malikaji mo gbadashi ado le koshiragbe afio yonko abala na gblena susuita onu ita fi mo gbadashi adogi makpo process ma wana ma makpo tafa ma ye cow ma ye vo makpo tafa vai manyaba process ya memito akoya. It was painstaking and very meticulous. Afiaba wana anto anye wana do duare kama memito.
Okay.
To regional level, every national level, automobile le region, navai Tanofa. In fact, I'm auto Tanofa vetina no Jubilee House Anto. Yeah, itamabe. The process itself was painstaking and very meticulous. Nuke of Magloniaro. The president of the Republic is a sole appointer or appointer. Let's put it there.
Okay.
Madaka Mashias near appointment Macleo. Yea, Kunya maker, a tet Toshio Gio, nay a Patrick, present a bear call. Or Toshio Gio, Patrick, Majibanano, Katana. Gakan give me a paw. Make Bobber, Duplola, Msama, Ple party monolao, Ple miapo minister so, Samak blimi, but Miamia Gluradem, Miamia Toshia Mereka Varojibo, Ame recommend. President Atechoko, Ayoma Onkori, Gaka. This is the president that has shown the way. You know his position on these local government issues as far as the political underpinning and undertone is concerned. And you have Rufe, Susui, Obe Akove, Afi, but Odakone, MMDC so, you might be a point. Alaba, Nakpevukaka. That is the way to go. Nana Mai, Ojabamia. Onoema Gaka motiva jajina na mo because makpaba ruhi nungoma sasa mama biri amona segombo nuya omyela adukube miachi ta the best person should sit there. That's the intention of the president. But mi oto mi chama kama dogana mi aha Gaka motiva jona na mo ta nakpaba the process was very transparent and competitive. Process very competitive. And on. And you know that, I know from experience, in terms of local governance and in terms of party leadership, since far back as at 1994, I was an officer of this party. Became a vice chairman, became a regional organizer, was even a parliamentary candidate. No young kwa. There will be agitations. What am I supposed to do as a leader? And you should be able to preempt. You see? From my experience, I should be able to preempt some of these tensions that will arise. Ta makpe fong limaku makpe ba ota amanya sanye, you know, amachicharo pona ngodongwe pona amachicharo ni plan wa fi oba no clam radio dia RTV dia ta I should be able to know what will happen.
Aleamo receive gay.
Aleamo receive gay. Ta the best thing na wenye na quickly na release, but New Year is not a do or die affair. Okay. Bereka jioroge. Aroma roji amarobi umolong. Gakagba aterojio. Ta rukma mafutevia long bao. New Year magayijio. And Patrick, I'm very happy, but the voter regime is calm, because after giving the release, I managed to call a lot of the people who were disappointed.
Okay.
But Jagbayo, la kama ina tunuko ba la fogbeshio. Okay. Ajabe jibodi ple amonovi susuro ple mrekavaro wa yiji ta because Patrick, this thing that happened near Joe, there were a lot of speculations and circulations of various lists.
Having contornado.
Yeah. Speculations and circulations of various lists. So you know that definitely, obviously, there will be tension. Some of the lists, a lot of lists came up. We don't actually know where they are coming from. Yeah. Yes, because now you have only release guy. That is what the Minister of Local Government has released with the Information Minister, pursuant to articles that made provision for them to release this list. You understand?
Yeah.
Ta list odo, ta manyabe Of course, Nunglo Patrick, the two Patricks are here. Nunglo Patrick from Koreji, Arunglo Elikem from Korelis Buji. At the end of the day, Elikem Tedo, Patrick Tomadog, Global, Amada Fear. But the realist finally came out.
Okay.
And so, as party leaders, as ministers of the various sectors and regions, the best thing we can offer our people is to calm them down and tell them that Agba, Namani Oto, Echo, Otonyega, Efodo Chona Dana, Kakana Poko, me only, Kakako, Ka Echoncho. If you're able to break the 8, then another opportunity will be given to somebody else, or the nominee having gone through the process of would have been retained, or another person will come in, because as for that one, it's your ability sometimes to even lobby and lobby the president.
Okay.
So the president is the sole appointer.
Okay.
He has the prerogative to tell you that you go and sit in Qatar, you go and sit in Aplawu, you go and sit in Georgia. So basically, you realize that this particular president has actually shared his powers with us, that we're able to take the party people through the process, and then finally, one person was picked. So there's no cry. Those who were agitated, as some other regions, so I will, ask them to be calm and allow the process to go through.
Okay.
Yes, so that is the main reason why, I made my release.
Ahead of
the pronouncement.
Okay.
So that is what happened, because I know the process was very transparent and competitive, and that nobody, should think that it's out of nothing that this is. So you don't need somebody to be your friend before you can chart the same course, or you may have your opinion. Opinions are like noses; everybody has them. So as for opinion, it's something that you cannot take away from somebody. But that is so. That is the world. You need to live with it. But if you have the same agenda, the same vision, you should be able to work towards that vision. So, by all means, it's one person that will sit there.
Okay.
So why this thing? Yes, it's good to vent your this thing, but sometimes do it quietly. People actually felt pains.
Okay.
It's okay. Anyway,
yawda gbe igbona mi mo komba waje confirmation ogoma ogoma jaga cho jiafo avawunu de not dying avawunu de mi agba fi as the father of the party are you okay with all the nominees so far? Do you have any personal reservations?
I am very okay with the nominees so far.
Okay.
Very, very okay, because I told you that the president has that prerogative. He's the sole appointer. Or he has the authority to appoint. So as a leader of the party, my preference do not matter here.
Okay.
Yes. My opinions do not matter here. Whoever the president gives that position to, I should be able to encourage the rank and file of the party to support the person.
Okay.
Yes. I should be able to do that. No matter, you see, it is not about you. It's not about you. It's about the agenda of the president. President of agenda. The transformational agenda of the president. To lift this country to a particular level. That is the issue in situ. Yes. So it is not about Elikem, it's not about Wanya, it's not about Pope, it's not about Sami Anku. It's not about, it's about the agenda of our president. So he feels that.
Anyway, mi nyado se mi cho tofu ba mi mizunya jeje dola ta oba ro la gbodo maka mi ajebe mi I seek clarification. Apart from being the regional chairman, you are also a local governance expert. You've been an assemblyman for 16 years. And also you are still an appointee in the assembly. No nyebo tosh ya majiba assembly ma yelona huya dema. Bo nye momo fia. Do fiamba assembly ho hoya lia wakaki. Agogo a reconstitute. Alo nuladi ho yo kata assembly odari appointees yo kata assembly ama enya bo tera ye yo nava la ketutue wonona hafi o confirm na nominee as MC alo DC.
Bari majiba na kunwa mokata na kofia. Kuna lungo kata tu. Nyema ya fike mago jege, nyema ya fike manu ugero.
Right. Okay, nyakwe chofi.
Kuna choga de karaka, kai baba gagba.
Nyakwe chofi. Nanya bo tosh ya marajiba o confirm ro fiamba o dissolve assembly a reconstitute afia confirm DC alo MC. Bao. Akpa Patrick, a sir Pleruro, ye miak blom, le miafe nous on a chanou on am. Ta na onyebe o toshia mareji, ye da flache, ye oba made, nava, abe ale miafe sagle at 936 as amended at 936. Miafa section 20. But there shall be a district chief executive for each district appointed by the president with prior approval of not less than 2/3 majority of members of the district assembly present and voting at the meeting. Now onyebe a SAG global, we can speculate. Nete gano tamafa kamo. That tamafa kamo call. Then it means that you are tabula rasa. You don't have anything in your coconut. Because a circular array is not I think. It is the law. The law is the law. An act of parliament is a primary legislation. So applies to the constitution of our party. Constitution of Ghana. Okay. Because the constitution of Ghana was put up by a consultative assembly. And it was in the form of an act. You see? So, from which other legislations flow. Yes. So, there are provisions. So, this Act 936 is an act of parliament. It's a primary document which highlights legislative instruments. You see, regulations, provisions are made in that respect. So, when the act says that, na attack global ta, na attack global, amayi, na waleko, na na makulema. Okay. Patrick, you don't need interpretative rules or rules of interpretation to interpret this particular thing. It's straightforward.
Yes, literal interpretation. Yeah. It's straightforward. The common man on the street, I take me as a gomaba, over no chamber. Ochama, President Romera, Yoba no Dakonama. Nobody no Dakonama. If you have an assembly and a Dakonama, now assembly, I just want to intact.
Okay.
As I go, I just assembly. Now no Ruruya Mole. Afio o Yonkoa assembly. Ruruma Makunogola Pepe Nema,
including committee plus subcommittee.
Everything subcommittee will have lifespan.
Okay.
As I go, no, for lifespan, you cannot. Because the assembly thrive on committee system. So life goes on. What is the difference? Assembly, committee way on Aruru. As I'm talking to you now, Ruru Akatan Wacho committee level, via executive committee level, of a general house, Dodoma, no one individual can change it. Marakmate change go. Because the role new work, system of governance, there are separation of powers. You go to the Parliament of Ghana. The Parliament of Ghana, sit. Don't they criticize?
Yes.
Don't they interrogate issues of government? Government ohane hamaga ohane ayi na committee level aro legal committee no asabu legislation bu obe oko onu ya otonama oko say duplola covered. Now we have private members bill also. Hitherto we were not practicing those things. Now we have it. Issues can be generated from the House. You see, and then they'll discuss it. It's not only the president that brings issues to the House for approval. Now, private members bill is there. So if you feel like you are new glommy, now President Yoma Rebono Dashredia, Assembly ama kakago. More until the time the Obano got recompose, which the law speaks about, the act speaks about, attack blonde and yachun mama. Equal tewo. Tanoba Ochama Amagbona. Yobono Danshida Magia. Ama le sanukwa. Ama ya amatro nye bona. Amu poga fly amakpoga ni o bekagem ba meyade aje da ya yo gbobe yo da shreji han
Assemblyman odogu gwa vet nominia
aw
eleko ga fianya
mo vet go
alomajo
yes ya ma mo ma yoga chogi ba na no fiori ama lam ele mi to mi no fi oko yogola
okay
na ira daklufia on to no fi oko yo na ira hofia ame uch of Michael Yomule. Na yire North Dying. Me oga chafi mo ga to chevi anonyi po. Yenye the immediate pastor. Okay. Yiko ga yo ta o do duma. O po fly amani. Nanya dola nyu onye ko. Ya amore kemagali mabuga to Togo. Amaru ha vivio bona. Aja na ve ko. Unchio na mo. Ame assembly members on avec unchio na buru wo ye nyame yale ni gaka malaba political campaign no na beneva e moduga to rushima ako nu yakọ yimiama ako nu yakọ no never. You still have to lobby the assembly members because matena na koga ro kyoshi ko hunu rafmo the chief executive is the chairman of the executive committee. But the executive committee itself is a means to an end. It's not an end in itself. Executive committee for decision on the general house. Now legislative house akpongwa yo dashreja ke ota implemented mo ota onma. Dakana na pongma yo ba aw yo mo dashreja na na kemali na ti ogo. So your position as a district chief executive is more of a, trying to lobby the people around to believe in what you want to do as a person. They must come along with you. It's not an authoritative in a way. I don't see it as an authoritative position where it's like you are managing your own business. Like Sun City, you can hire and fire. The chief executive can hire and fire. Okay. At his will, without recourse to anything. It is not like that.
Okay.
It's more of an appealing situation where mostly, if you are in a situation where most of the assembly members are not within your own party, you need to do a lot of work. Yes. Unlike maybe Ashanti region where, the party has its base, the MPP has its base there, and you can know about the flache, chief executive, and you're almost all the assembly members, all just you. And you party me, after your near, and you're gonna you know way. That is the skill of the politician. You have to lobby. Even if the person doesn't like your face, you still have to go there and talk to the person. But that is what I am for. You see, as a leader, you don't have to say chintra. You cannot win all the time. You understand? You need to stay in line with what the party wants you to do. Because here I'm a waiting on you just let go. Sometimes I'm a man ava hanuye yaro dogie arwa mava ma hanuye yaro dogio. So the assembly, I've been an assembly member for a very long time, and I know that there's not much you can do. People are happy. Sometimes the mischief about this thing, everybody. Patrick, you can even be behind somebody that he should come. Now mava rovoa. Sometimes, excuse me, sometimes you can be disappointed because
Alena
susuyafia. Magbonaji igano nene mau. So motive ke na ko gogoma maneve. Is it for you to make money or for you to assist in development? If you are coming with money motive, you have lost it. Because the transformation agenda of the president, that is the reason why he's brought you here. And so that should be your core mandate. You see, you cannot do otherwise. So that is it.
Right. I see. Lamonu have ahead of the confirmation. Amaro Doligas appointee so l'assembly. Is that possible? Ahead of that, I feel confirmation. Is possible? Other appointees are that. Mercy. One time you uncle. Another liquor, my phone call. As another papa, phone call. Yamatata, Romia Hoga assembly. Majiamu planter. But is that possible?
Wishful thinking. Wa teno from Butamaro, Ahuri, Aglunyaro, Adejefodorokio. But you see, we are not in a banana republic. Where there are no laws, everybody can stand. We are not in animals' kingdom also. That the stronger animals will exert power over the weaker ones. No, we are guided. We are a country of rules and laws. Aduya mamielari. Adulisa la miashi. Yeah, adulisa ma. Asabu buo flow from adulisa ma. Na yeli miagara numuma. Asabu buo flow from adulisa ma. Ta over ocha amade. I don't want to be personal.
Okay.
Because I'm a regional chairman, and it's my duty to make sure the nominees are confirmed.
Okay.
It's my duty. Because I have seen a lot of district chief executives for all these years, over 3 years that I've been a party chairman. Nothing has actually changed in terms of so your being a DC would not affect Kofi Wanya.
Okay.
Yes, so it is not an issue. It's not a personal matter. For somebody to sit in his house, do you have those powers, Patrick? Let's look at Agban. I understand their over issue, over confusion, Mr. Government. But you see, law is very innovative.
Okay.
Yes, and the arts are not static. Okay. You understand? These arts are supposed to take care of development. Neo-Jimmy society. Society is dynamic. Society is changing. So the laws must be made to, be abreast with the changes of society. And democracy is growing. You see, so if the democracy grow, what do you have to do? You have to. There are certain things. I'm a serving. I'm a British Saudi. Nanolo Bofia Mogaomu. Kakalo Pagbanamo is still in the books.
Okay.
We call something postal rule in contract law. Postal rule, man. Agba take no postal rule follow strictly. Where you have WhatsApp, you have this thing, email that can fly the very moment they can only in there.
Telegram, fax,
and all those things are. Matega Mark Pokoro strictly. Gaka is still on the books. Gaka, thank God, buddy. Our parliament, the Parliament of Ghana, they all are blessed with developments. And all more amending, to suit the very near situation in Camilla. You see, Patrick, I am not surprised. Because more than the practice of the past, I am not surprised people are still holding it on. But we are no longer using at 462. Megazamu. They got at 462 Azamu. So if you are in the past, then you are mediocre. Come up, flow along. You see, Jagbana flow along with the changes that are happening in the country. Patrick, Nakpo Local Government Act 1993 at 462, when they are talking about revocation of a mandate of a member, subsection 6.
Okay.
Because other ones were Maglobe, it talks about other issues. Now, Gaka for maybe education purposes are the right, okay. Subsection 1, buddy, in accordance with Article 249 of the Constitution and subject to this section, the mandate of an elected member of the District Assembly may be revoked by the electorate or the appointing authority.
Okay.
So it's flowing from Article 249. Okay. It takes its roots from that article.
Okay.
Article Magbo, that's the supreme law of the land, the constitution of the land. Is the supreme law of the land, which other laws flows from. You see? So from there, now let's leave the elected members.
Okay.
Then let's come to maybe appointed members.
Yeah.
Over the appointment of an appointed member of the assembly may be revoked by the president.
Only the president.
Wait.
Okay.
You see, there are procedures.
Okay.
The president appoints the chief justice. Nobody other chief justice are there. My president your neighbor chief justice Dogoraji Piaggio.
Okay.
There are procedures. Now, president appoint commissioners, either Shraj, Electoral Commission, or other commissioners. NCC. Okay. The president doesn't just wake up and say, if people petition the president, there are procedures.
Okay.
You saw recently when the president was petitioned against the
chief justice.
You saw the procedure.
Yes.
There must be a premier facial case against the person. If the president is okay with that, he may suspend. Mobile shall suspend, or he may. The discretion is the president is for the president. He exercises that authority, that discretionary authority. Okay. If you have the appointment of an appointed member of the District Assembly may be revoked by the president. This at 4620.
Okay.
And all that has been revoked, amended.
Okay.
In the exercise of the president's discretion. Azagoma. So the president has the discretion to say that. But you appoint to Agba, you revoke appointment. You don't have anything to say. Now Kamala go. Oda, you ask why? Because if the president appoint ministers to exercise authority on his behalf, he hires and fires at any time. But democracy is growing. Tomorrow it will even come to the extent better. That portion may be amended. So B may revoke by the president on the recommendation of 3/4 of the members of the assembly on the grounds that the member has systematically neglected the duties of office or committed acts incompatible with the office of a member of the assembly for which sufficient evidence is available.
Okay.
Are you getting me? So, 3/4 of the assembly, that is B. When the president says in A, you globata, you revoke your appointment, upon discretion, man. Okay. You can't take it away from him. Nelma, a saglema. Because, my brother, the president doesn't rule with his mind only. He rules with the constitution it's the constitution that enjoys the president to exercise those authorities.
Okay.
He's an individual. But the law makes him powerful. You see, because we entrust that power into the hand of the president. The president is guided by the constitution of the land.
Okay.
He cannot just do it on his own. No, there are institutions, there are structures, there are rules and regulations, there are laws. Ghana is a state governed by laws. Not the president and woman here bojipom. Here bojipom. Yeah. So the outforce is to a machine in the exercise of the president's discretion. So President Abe appointed. So Aterora as an appointee. Aterora. Now, Patrick, this law has been amended. This act of parliament has been amended.
Hayako Nahlafia.
Asaya Makhlafia. Asaya Otrashilum.
Okay.
Orana Noman. Atuna Nokperem. Ta Mia Meokel Assembly, Fiamiga. At forces to Zama, but me have a Bible or no. Magalagio.
Okay.
Me have a Adoho. Yeke football. Maga Trogagbo. Now, Patrick, let's look at 936. The Kenya at Ezami Lefia.
Kenya ye to.
A ye to, a saye ye to. A saye ye to Ezami Lefia. Abalaka. A saye ye to. A renmalaman. A in the exercise of the president's discretion,
okay.
Yes, I parliament go le prom go out. Me ajaba procedure glom yola. Is it? Procedure glom yola. Yes, adilaman. Nuke asaya glofia. Patrick. Asaya yasami la assembly afia. Afu mucho elected on na PVP. Paulo Funcho appointed members on Section 9, Section 10, Subsection 9. The appointment of an appointed member of the district assembly may be revoked by the president upon a discretion of the president.
Okay.
May be revoked by the president. Mobile shall be revoked. May be revoked by the president. Still, he has a discretion. Even if you recommend to him. Now, on your assembly, I recommend the president if you have an appointed person around. Do you have to go?
Okay.
No matter the word may. Maroba is fatal. Then I know in a contract, I may do this thing, I cover contract. Now, Mama perform your material.
Probable.
Yes. So, Oba may be revoked by the president. A, upon the recommendation of 3/4 of members of the district assembly on the grounds that the member has systematically neglected the duties of an appointed member of the district assembly or committed acts incompatible with the office as a member of the district assembly for which sufficient evidence is available, or upon a complaint made of wrongdoing or improper conduct established to be true after investigation by an ad hoc committee of the district assembly. Now, it's not an easy procedure. Many procedure konyo, male easy. And here we are talking even about a member. We are not talking about wholesale revocation.
Yeah, America ko magloma sa.
America ko magloma sa la fia bari. If you know chonyara mangwa. Ajaba no assembly members so which of course Qatar Municipal Assembly we have 32. 32 day. About 3 quarters in any mathematics ama. But ni ndi hao.
24 mo.
3 quarters Yes, 24. Now I'm 32 married. I'm a blah and blah vavon, which includes the appointees also. Okay. Because the house is made up of 22 elected members. 3/4 of that. When you're present and voting, 3/4 of the entire house. Yeah, Koglokabari. Koju mensa haba bononofia edo fievo. Ashim Kochomula as an honorable member or appointed via never assembly. Ashim Kovacho Auni. Roger Bobe Auni Lafi, Auni Lavetari. I read the Jaf Unwa Jomo Notary. House and take decision.
Okay.
A house a dagger. No dark over the house maker take a global out. You form a committee. Ad hoc committee. Ad hoc afia committee maroko form a Jioba. No doctor for committee agban. Because the legislative house of the assembly all have the power to form committees. Permanent committees. A son moma. Yes. Ta a satro na chami revoke na mako akubalavi kwa revoke ama. A sa atrofia. Matega America revoke Ghana no more. You don't have those powers.
Okay.
Procedure. Here all that affair. About procedure, ko le na be chief justice na to procedure. Na be isi nuya. It must come by a petition. Which petitions must be interrogated and committees set up to investigate the wrongdoing, the breaches.
Okay.
Okay. Ajaba investigation avant. What to no mama? Tana made anu ere ba ma ko ya khoma ni na chite. Makhla sao manye unke jojo mo ko ba. Ali kama ajojo ga assembly. I say that's figment of their own imagination. Madaka maten mago.
Okay.
Asaglomi lo masa senya. Masa senya unke na teva wo. So the earlier we sort of stop this kind of conjecturing. Yes. Nuya.
Tamafa kamo.
Tamafa mo na oh. That flache it's throughout the new. Many da flache many kata for nya glom.
The regional kata.
Regional kata nya nesema. A jump across.
Okay.
Asagoma. I love people are using that as a tool to intimidate people. But I tell them the same law that is telling them better is the same law that is saying that if you want to remove an appointed member, you have to go through a process.
Okay.
It is no longer like those days that we hold revocation letters. Patrick no see hamle marukoji tema area o appoint ajidoga honorable ajidoga emma Patrick Oliver where you go all assembly how can be appointee and be in assembly and say we called some of them saying it and then recommendations came over Mado appointees are the law at first is to was strictly applied. Me revoke over appointment.
Okay.
Numakan. Because that's the discretion of the president. The president we made a report, he got wind of the whole thing, and then he instructed, but no revoke on a Monaco.
Okay.
Kakagba magala na mo. Ta amayo all have that delusion. All a chamere. I'm provoking them to come to look. Madunko Nanajo. Have you appointed Honorable Seti Omovu?
Yes.
La Kata
MC.
it became a battle between Angloga and Keta. About Faro, yeah, John Angloga, Keta. I'm over, no. Angloga, no, Mama Vago. I'm over Kana Koyajo. Yo gaga. Oh, appointee solo. But my buy him about Chizajiva, yo, Reketa. A faramaja. Mabama Kukuno. Ni Harry. No, me hopefully for camera can win. I'm a win. Mikata me for Klama because agenda will continue to stay in power and do Ghanaians good. Transform this country. The 8-year ritual array is not making this country to grow. We want to break the 8. If you want to break the 8, then you need everybody on board. You don't need the person to be your friend.
Okay.
But you need to work together. Unity of purpose. Okay. What is our agenda? Our agenda is to work for the people of Volta region. Our agenda is to work for the people of Ketu South. Our agenda is to work for the people of Keta. Our agenda is to work for the people of Anglo. So it became a battle that time. I have to calm down, come and see my people. Oh, Papa go, me had me as a government. You see, they glonya kumisa goma. You come, okay. I'm all over you because it's immaterial. Oh, giddy. Me glonya, bamagba, mafajino. Baba mi kuku o mi ora kako mi o. That is the beauty of democracy. You bring your issues up. Marana oni. Iko mi ba dakone enuyalo honorable set Yomavua le Keta Assembly. That was I was an elected member.
Okay.
Kaka, I didn't say that. At first it to say but we should revoke appointments. Therefore, okay, all of you are revoked. What are you bringing up? Now, if I have Makova, a revoke Kamu, supposing the law is there, he could never revoke Kamu. What do you think will happen to the people? And some of the people too are chiefs. You see, they are chiefs.
Okay.
And some of them are queen mothers. And some of them are well-meaning people, religious leaders. So you go and then disgrace them. Yes. No, there is a difference between you are not appointed to the house. I'm over. You don't. Make global bon assemblyman appointed me banyaga. Afina do a black collar chokota do. Make glenu. Make glenao. That's a fresh appointment. That's the beginning inaugural meeting where assembly members will be sworn in.
Okay.
Who told you that you have been appointed? During that time, Mama talk be organized me adoma. Oh, il est amo. Nya il est ma bona ma profia rocho na shibive. Banu wa kung tepanam. So if you dress and you come to assembly, there's no crime. But once you have been appointed and sworn into this house, it can only come in the at 936. You can only be revoked when these processes are done. Right. So, Patrick, let me assure you, buddy, you see, a study, do one Amador.
Okay.
Ruan Amador, the 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana is the supreme law of the country. Article 1 of the 1992 Constitution makes it clear that any other law found to be inconsistent with any provision thereof is void to the extent of that inconsistencies.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Na inconsistency ade samadi ka ameosa Supreme Court. It is not for you and I to determine the inconsistency in the law. Supreme Court Emaraga.
Okay.
I make a void to the extent of inconsistency. Now, the 1992 constitutionary, at least the laws recognized in Ghana in Article 11, as including, in order of priority, the constitution of the land. 1992 constitution now lists a SAO, which is the laws that are recognized in Ghana. The constitution, area number 1. In order of priority, the Act of Parliament, number 2. Orders, rules, regulations made by persons or authority under the power conferred by the Constitution. Existing laws prior to the 4th Republic, I recognize the common law. You know what the common law is?
Yeah, rules that existed before the coming of the Constitution.
No, the common law is judge-made law.
Okay.
These are precedents.
From judges.
Okay. Yes. So you test the law. So if somebody comes to the assembly with a revocation letter right now, you just go to court. You just go to court. Look at the court again. Okay. So, chapter 10 of the 1992 Constitution vests the power to make laws in Ghana in Parliament.
Okay.
You see, so it will be an infraction. It will be against the very constitution of the land. But laws that are made, that flows from the constitutionary. Somebody will sit in his house and think that he can undo it. Or you sit in your office. In a chamber, you are vested with some power to do ABC, then you go tampering with the laws of Ghana. Okloga is a talk boy. Especially Article 93, Clause 2. The laws made by Parliament are referred to as Acts of Parliament and are considered as primary legislations. Parliament adulisa globally. Adulisa global Parliament kwete osa. Ika samana church itre. The statute. A samana church itre. Ika ba mi global that some of Parliament they are primary legislations. So mi semwa government in that order of descendancy. By constitution, by Act of Parliament, orders, rules, regulations made by persons or authority. If you have a Ministry of Local Government, authority to make outstanding orders
okay.
as regulations. But it will also be in sync with the Constitution and the Act of Parliament. Okay. It will flow from that place.
It was circular to cover the
yes.
Okay.
What standing order if you have no assembly, a year of Yagio. Yes, and that standing order also at our inaugural meetings, those standing orders, we have to accept them. If you want to adopt languages, we adopt languages. We can go to the assembly and say, now we'll speak Fafra. We'll speak Twi in our assembly.
Okay.
We have that prerogative, we have that power to do that. As a small legislative house, we have the power to do that. Okay. So, that is why we are saying that rules, regulation, or orders passed by persons or body granted authority under the Constitution or through an Act of Parliament are referred to as subsidiary legislations.
Okay.
So, an Act of Parliament is not a subsidiary legislation. It's a primary legislation. So, how can you be joking with this book? Obanama non assembly olo.
Assembly a eje sue alo popule teremiano ala ka sa yokuya. Sa okliko.
Asa okliko.
Mata chochoga kwa onushanu.
No. You must be joking. You must be joking. Asa okliko. Mata choga kwa aba amai movie afi. Even you as no formation of subcommittees. So there are laws that regulate it. You cannot just wake up in the at 936. There are laws that regulate it, and it has a life. So who are you? Who is your friend there? You are supposed to come and work. Nobody is your friend. We are working mates. So you come and work. Stop threatening people. I've always told yesterday we had a workshop. I told those who came there that let's help the nominees to get approval. You see, the posturing of some people, we advise that I met some group of people yesterday, nominees yesterday.
Okay.
I told them that your followers will cause you problem. Stop them from causing you problems. Because if you don't get the nominees through, we have not done our work. We have failed.
So nominees are not confirm or even assembly member not confirm.
That is why if the president appoints you, the assembly members, if the president appoints you, I would say it's 50% appointment.
Okay.
The assembly members have the rest 50% to assess you. Asagoma, yes, they will assess you and see whether you are fit for purpose. And you are. Aroma, you are. So you have to present yourself in a manner that will attract the interest of the assembly members. Because 2 assembly members may say that, oh, we don't want you. Then 10 will say we want you. That is why it's not 100%. It's to test. No, my. Ta na assembly members obe emoji mo. We are encouraging our nominees. Patrick, Ngbeto pass only level. You see, you are going to be married, so you're working. You must be inspiring. If you are aspiring to be a bride, or it's not a bride, a bride, you must be working in a majestic way, in a gorgeous way. Be humble. Achororo, aglotutu viadeko. Na nos on the car. No dashike machine over here. Can have you pass a testa. Kakano mo dashike machine over. In a global a glare muga. Agbobotu. Akoya egbaga. Where from those powers? Akwa, Amarenovi. Anglo du etachi in video. Never marathon yara glon afiara anya bubiema. Ta me as original chairman now. It's my duty, my fairest duty. You see, I'm duty bound. I cannot do otherwise. Whether I like the face of the person or not, the person has been nominated by the president of the land, of which party I belong to.
Honorable, Nemia Po Volta Regional nominees are Paganto, they are new faces. Ika dohi ma ano nyanyena assembly manola do the day. Nala ma tutroga de amado oshidagaroji shagbanto ya no dakokwa. Amatoga bobuina nama.
Patrick, amaye yarekama la udumo.
Okay.
Asagoma, just that they are new to the assembly system. And some of them too have been assembly members. Some of them will be workers of Abel Sugakov like this, South Tongue like this. The man nominated is a planning officer at the Ketu North District Assembly, Municipal Assembly Day. So he knows the terrain. Asagoma, what we are talking about, maybe in terms of the character of the individual. Ta nyemak bebe amaye yewa. You see, at every time somebody will be new. Over job experience. Job, I don't know job, but I have experience. As I come
like a particular district who have like particular problem you can nominate Guanagodoge.
Like
Keta, for example.
Keta, yes. What is the problem?
Development for the agitations of the people. No,
Keta, we have our own problems because Nikejo. Miami assemblyman over. This is the problem in Qatar. I'm more for propaganda sake. But who gamare shi for kutokuma? No jadon how yamare bobo no cho. No more jadon how you jadon no go gane yo. Ohoga amoshi. Ika we know it's on record.
Okay.
But what they are doing now, a gata omro. Lucky assembly members so anyinoga. Ato balama. For the good of this land, oh. After that flagelo, how much is the common fund in this assembly? Ask yourself how much. sometimes 200 and something thousand, Evana, sometimes 300,000. Afia udoma. Fike gama le bank. Makawe le gagbalauji. Mia $1 yo l'assemblée le gagbalauji. Now, assembly members over. You see, Anglo, we are on problem. Assembly members over kunuma. Yo dogo plenya. Amaro ko gapro ko tokuma. Overthrow your assembly members oji. But bohienya fiafito. O single Amaro out. Especially nyento ya lafia.
Yeah, demonstration aro again.
Yes. But in this issue so that is why you wish that somebody comes. No ko nuke ma atewo.
Okay.
Asakoma amanafa. Na mate found out. Rohina mabu whatever out of globe amaya is your chronic. It's your chronic. You are in bed with the person.
Okay.
But you come. That's why me at the appointment that the president is my joy. The appointment, I'm very happy about it because come, ni ene be ava war. Never way. Asakoma, mate go tanogere, anu go global assemblymen no they are ashamed to the knee. People talk like that to our honorable members.
Journalists talk like that.
Journalists, some journalists.
Some journalists.
Yes, some journalists talk like that. They are not informed. They are not informed. Now if you talk, if you are not afraid, you mention my name. Asagoma, I'll just take you to the court because that is where I'll seek justice. Okay. So because Africa marriage freedom and love, my marriage jagomale. Okay. So do you have facts? Do you have facts? What you are saying? Are they factual? Because somebody gave you money to speak and you are speaking. And some of them, they speak to the extent better. The pompous. So, Nukevajo, the Qatar Municipal Assembly took a decision. But you mogate doga kule $1. Amoga radio jibalak ben mama. Numama dogo. Numama dogo. Numama logo, malogo. Numama dogo. Plengo. Finally, Uncle Bawo. Finally, Uncle Bawo. Ama Ogal Assembly. Omagara Orashi Mojo. Ayagoma Sama. Yes. So that is how it is. You see? So it's not an issue of need. If you are Agbalaoli, let the investigative bodies go into the books. So what will be your benefit? Sometimes people say you take contract. Every contractor has to take contract. What is wrong about that? Contract, when you're award there, did you put gun on anybody's head to award the contract for you?
Anyway. No.
Patrick, is it possible?
You bid for it.
Did you award a contract under duress?
No.
Yes. Or you were not mentally sound when you were awarding the contract. Because these are maybe insanity quite at relief of the near of the law.
Okay.
Yeah. Insanity or duress, even that one. They will interrogate it. You have to prove it that you were really under duress. Maybe a contractor pull gun on you, and if you don't sign that document, he will gun you down. And you have to prove it. You cannot just say it and then believe better that is what has happened to you.
Anyway, nyasalomia ejadong pla ono makafi kofi wanya jimono lana NPP dunya ha le volta nutoma fi alaba mian kosem le Revival FM 99.3 le tajabu nutoma ena maka Kingdom FM le ho pla nyatafa 94.5 le Joja nutoma. Honorable Babia Susua ko hafi mia adashi jarodo no comment gbogbo adanto, lots of comments on our Facebook page. Nyamanyana mate kata la gafi miacho gaka gbadashike na chona assembly me yila yo kata torumo la vota no to mafia yika yawada gba yigbona miaje confirmation come from not die
da flachelo Patrick the duty yala shinya as a regional chairman is to appeal to honorable assembly members. I cannot to do what is expected of them, void of acrimony or rancor. Yes, I want to appeal to them, but they should do what is expected. Yes, especially the government appointees who are supposed to help the district chief executives in the performance of their duty. Although all the assembly members adore equally, yes, there is no discrimination in the house. Now, elected or what they normally, they have a community that they look up to. Yes, when I was an elected member for almost 17 years, because of the Afonyo Makins case, of Mark instead of 16. 4 terms. You come to assembly and you go back to your community. You need to show something that your door ever would do. Yes. And you see, that is why, Patrick, it is not a one-man's agenda. You see, committee like development planning, what we normally do is to harmonize, and the executive committee also harmonize. You see, if you look at proper council, they all have various electoral areas under them. The area councils, they have various electoral areas under them. At the municipal level, I think we have zonal area or something, or town council, zonal in town. At the district level, we have urban councils, we have the area councils. So the zonal councils all have number of electoral areas under them. So electoral areas, they have a need. Yanyaro lengwa, obono dogo. No papa mekatoe lengwa mekato yana pata. So they do a list of scale of preference. Yeah. Yes, priority list. Heke hiau. So le lanshibia ado lanyakoa anyakoto hiau boloveto.
Okay.
Ta you know anyakoto gbanta. Then le over takpekpewa over anyako achinya le paramount.
Okay.
So me consider yagba the entire councillor o dashira anyako chinyaji. Ta achinyama yo chogo have assembly. Assembly members mukata town councilman, they'll be lobbying other assembly members so that they prioritize Anyako Chinya, code the budget term.
Okay.
Now we have a medium-term plan from which we derive our yearly plan, annual plan, and then we derive our budget from it. Okay. So in the course of the preparation of the medium-term plan, then we'll capture Anyako water issues. Let me capture Anyako Chinya. Can me presume me Anyako Chinya the most important thing. Can assembly with them. Other things must wait. So if you come to the assembly, it's a process. It's a process, it's a tall order. No one individual can do it. You need people to be around you. Okay. But at the end of the day, the back stops with you. Never, I never would do you. I'm careful. Yabo, asimasi, you I would do very well. And I katabe lifted. You see, that is how the whole thing is. So when they say the assemblies drive on a committee system, people don't really get it. Assembly door approach, it should be holistic, and that is what we are saying. So my appeal to all and sundry, the nominees have gone through a lot. So I'm appealing that the nominees should be accepted throughout the region, so that at least yes, under the leadership of McAfee Kofi when original chairman, we were able to get all the nominees through. Okay. Though I am not in their mind, but it's an appeal I'm making to them that they should not disappoint us. Appointees in their conversations, we are very decorous. They are to know that the same president that appointed them appointed the nominees also. But they have to go through a process of confirmation by 2/3 of the House. Sometimes people go 2 times, 3 times before they get it. I feel get married in 100%. So it's my appeal to President Awofakpajito, Mia Hadi, Mia Ajagba, Mia Bakpato, Ajito, Assembly members, so Manyamisha, Domania or now. Gaka, the longer you stay as an assemblyman, the better you can perform. Sometimes, Patrick, I'm over assemblyman, I'm a dark on the assembly. It needs some kind of experience. Yes. Illiterate no consider. You know, the longer I must stay, the better. Mate in other jurisdictions, so you vote for parliament like this. Yes. Patrick. Anyamomle to viento ike majima dare duajagbo inyebe eduya ya akemi anglo botabla to va da bari da flache fiara kamali mi yigo fiara kamali obana rugbadu na marava glunyaranu na journalist re. Is it your ethics or what do you call ethics? Yeah.
A circular royo
don't be a judge in your own cause. Yes. Don't be a judge in your own cause. Nimo Judas in Kasaswa. You cannot be a judge in your own cause. So people have made themselves like that because they are not seeing the more face to face. Without a Juna Mako, Ashahama, Muchu and Rahashimanglo, over Jokadagble.
What a photo wrong on an Norajiko.
Hey, I know you Mokata Mahayanam Crown. Yanya, I have a lot of things to do. So I will not be perturbed by, America, it's inconsequential. I mean, America for direction. In my America for direction, you. I have Patrick. God created you. Maudo Wabadi. Uhana assist in completing creation. Maumo Bakonavano Yahoma Kojobafia and Mako. What have you created? What have you created? That is the thing. You need to create something. You need to assist in completing the creation of what the creation work that God has started. So you are not just in the world for nothing. You have to identify what you have to do to help God to complete creation. So people should relax. Government appointees, I want to tell you better, your duty is to support the president. So, and that I want to also encourage you, but nobody has the power except that which is in the heart. Yes. What is in the Niele Sama Ikwe Tahamako Ikwe mi atezafia ingogbe na mare hon dumnawa ejimaga rere full crown. Okay. Yes. Nobody's bringing in any new person whatever to anywhere.
All right. Message also Gwama. La message adohaya gwagulamba. The way and manner we suffered before Emmanuel Gamaga has been appointed. We don't want any hungry assemblyman to vote against him. Joseph Agbavito from Abo. You do message, Mara.
Patrick.
Yes, sir.
I want to advise Joseph Agbavito. Buddy, you don't call assemblymen hungry assemblymen.
Yeah.
You suffered in... Look, Patrick, let me tell you. The president is a sole appointer. Yes. We saw it here. Now you are calling honorable assembly members, instead of appealing to them, you are calling them hungry assembly. He should withdraw and apologize.
Yeah.
Kaka, no assembly member is a hungry man. It's very much unfortunate.
They are servants.
Yes, we serve.
Yeah.
Patrick, at my age and time and experience in life, I always say that I shouldn't. I imagine maga no grassroots fear. I got no Birmingham assembly member. As a government, I wanted to get out, but you know, an appeal was made to me. Okay. But when you're not job fear, but you last about fear. I'll tell you, Togbi James Okukra Bie. Togbi James Oku, when the regional minister came, even went to him and appealed to him. Though when you never appeal now, Marakafi, or when you ask a regional chairman, whatever. That's the least I can demand from the president. But I want to be an appointed assembly member. Very much unfortunate. Patrick, so if you have the number of that gentleman, tell him to write the message back and apologize.
He's listening, actually. So.
Yes, because insults will not get the nominee confirmed.
Okay.
Yes.
So, Tempo Music says, good morning, Patrick. Greetings to you and your listeners, especially Erickson, watching you live from Dubai. Okay. Good morning, Patrick, watching you live from Katu South. Let me get to some other Akbaganto Bakodomo Lanami. Good morning, bro. You guys are doing well, watching you live from Kuba Copper. Okay. Stanley Alabochi Agato Gwagwamba. He never disappoints. Chairman, continue the good work for NPP. Abochi Philip says, the Volta Regional Chairman of NPP is my good friend, but before Sunday's release, there was a fake list that came to the system and the people of Qatar were not happy with the whole show. All the same, Qatar has won the MC slot. Abochi, I don't get what you're trying to say very clearly.
No, he's just saying that at the end of the day, a lot of lists came in.
Okay.
But the authentic list finally came in.
Okay.
And they're happy. Okay. And everybody is happy. If you don't even, you have to be happy. Yes. We are expecting that the people of Qatar Municipal Assembly, they'll do what is right and what is pleasing. They don't have to disappoint the president. That's what we are talking about. So it is bad. Manyoba, Amarana of Manu Nyamaglo. Assembly members are not hungry people. They are not. At least all I know, the assembly members in Qatar, all of them can feed themselves. People have families they are feeding. A lot of them they have their professions. So you should write back and apologize. Otherwise, what we can do is to pull him before privileges, complaints and
the PRCC.
Yes. Do you have his number there?
No, he sent it onto a social media platform. So.
Social media platform.
Yeah.
But he should have a number. He mentioned his name, so we can trace him.
We can track him.
Yes, we can track him, and then we get him to apologize. Otherwise, we'll take him through the rudiment. Yes, you cannot make such derogatory remarks about assembly members. All of us, we are not hungry people. We are not. This thing, I take exceptions to this, and we are going to trace him, and we are going to get him, and we'll take him through the system.
All right, so Mia Dashi comments on the comments are many on our Facebook page. In case you miss any of the interview, hello Jarodo and Miss Afiada Mia Dagademia for YouTube page Sun City TV. I don't trova Abakbo Jarodo Akata Magba. Tana Jarodo Yawuno, I don't trova Abakbe. Main TV Adoko Lemiangomia, Acholangia, Tojimanyaba Dohi, Babiado Anomaroshi, Alo Amarobe, Obianumo Coco Adoa, Manamon Copohana Garama, Mia Home, Atonada Kundia, Comia Cholangia, Toji 05031182225, and then 0544930007. Marakunachi already, I'm asking, calling you. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes. Okay.
Madu bano prunga jula vajete nyaba honorable makasi wanya. Madu baning dia toki. Adam ndo kata oda aje pamba afoto nyaru nyafufu nya. Anya nyaba original chairman voter original tie. Adam monto ndo kata nye pomona makaraji ba yo break new djumajoni sir. Azon fo kai kuma gobe nyawo nyaba yiti na ko dagara nyano ziaru nyafufu yo chata ameyu na ko dagana wo nyi ne ba supplement yo o yiro wo mtafo na mama wo do kode ame na ko ba wo do ayi ngo ba fana na do kode jaga bana kozi nikata nyawo shi nyawo do ashira shima nkuma makuma potoi takano nyaba na biya husanyo supplement na biya husanyo yino nyaba me ko chana be manwa ka akote potoro ntobo ado ngo be yina ba yi jinyele ne nya te nya lo ti le to be mega wo do ro mega wo lo ne jinyelo ngo ba yi nya ba mo do pa nya bo kario ya ba chinyo na yi ngo be na me e jinyele me do be ne nya o le ba makati wanya ndie yi ba ku pe no photocopy it's the original chairman Makafi wanya akpa.
Right, akpa, good morning. Okay, Novia Agala Kajas Asamangi Atana Gariko Nala 40. Good morning.
Ako Patrick.
Mato.
Ako majority dacho hagolu. Wena la original chairman ba ba ye phone. Ye dom. Patrick. Nya no vi maro beda shira to ta flachima ma atestem assembly member oji magbonya ya nyicho. Nya ka fufu de nye gere mo wamri. Anu nya ni wa ni ko bari nya dem na nya dedu. Atere nya be nya ro ma chobo. Ta na nya be ni aboto assembly ma turu titi la ya. To kukurere ma ni grade. Jamba no tse agbavito ya unya no jinani fare kukware nyama tomo ala ba assembly member mo gunya ni to boku male oshi afone o dogocho afi u ba nye to kodanu ba ya fuma kono nyane ni bolo de tumro bo abe tafla chi chi na o ye fi ni ma na nya ma mo jijom nam to ware ike ala be na ku Punya anya wo maru anya ba do ba kwa lo sha jo no nya ma ta nya te fon na ma tania o nya ji no ba ba se da ke ati na jore mara kuku ma ji ba nya ri ji na cha ma bubu to na re ni amana a fa na ni o nya ba amare na hall assembly ma ati aba government appointee ne ati wo revoke appointment alo ati o rashi ti ni a ma kuma ji ma se.
All right. Oh, Babi Yamango no funny you Java Mana Sana appointee. I feel revoke of appointment. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Patrick.
Yes.
For Mr. Turo Bojin Rakaji.
Okay.
Madak Panama Madagrama, Vela Nanya Sagoman Java Chama Maga into the studio. Akba Masun Moko Katama. Lanya Natapama, Broniba. Joju kana gagamra politics mafia o nyaba chama maintain hawe dagba dare nyo mi gizoma ala ba nya sunu ugbo tamala ba nya compromise na rukina na ma wedi kemala nya no zamla social media ta chama maintain na tunkura mo jinafa e jilo nya ni wona na nya kaka nyenya ta ya o jinafa muna ma joju ka majiba ma bia but agbonya government local action concerning about revocation of our appointment of a government appointee majiba ma bia na wonyeben Casio revoke a mark appointment. The president I have that kind of prerogative. I can revoke him. But you know what? You never. President like my president of the Shimara Casio. That time maybe you revoke him for appointment. At that very day, maybe the election time. You can't have a revoke appointment. Yeah, I said, not just but not even a badge, not even major. I can't call you for me. My Jimma, no, you revoke my appointment. That's my back on your call you for me. I'm a Bayama window, Saba Amagona Stroger, Adam Assembly. I'm a new, I like to know endorse any municipality, the revoke appointment. Look at Traga Dacona, municipality, the
Yama will be a Yamasam too.
But they are Jambari. No, you will revoke appointments without the knowledge of the person. Yet that very day, Colabo Daco. That's a man, you will revoke appointment. Yapa, Chamamintina, Nanasagoba. No major Juranama. I love an idea for nobody seeker redress. Yeah, but they are there, but no one, you have no major Juranama. If you approve MC, or this year, Hore, no, you have an idea for never Ruchide. Rock Boga, Gona Kodagan, MC, this year, low, I don't got Trogapo.
Okay. Chairman.
Yeah, Maroon Fina continue.
Okay.
Patrick. How Samuel and Nouveau. The legislative house Chana Moa Mela Nouveau Crown. As American referee no Samak Poma, any presiding member of the house. Presiding member, Onya Saya Kotimalafia, Onya Sa. Onya Ba, a say Yeva Fia Kenya at 936, Amasokle at 4612. Tana nya mother in a cook balamarashi or your revocation letter. Ye na Kweve Assembly, Momonago. The presiding member will not give you that me Banava ko or we revoke amount. I think like Malakovi, like a Mozango because a celio that afima boko salmon. Yes, that Balamana Kovea is in adherence with the constitution of the land, of the act. The primary legislation in America, Act 936 Balamana Kovea that sema. As the watchman over that assembly, presiding member will not give credence to that name.
Okay.
Gaka na onyeba ye na 7 days to the time. Though the time, this is a special meeting now. The presiding member has the discretion. Gaka, I want to encourage all presiding members, but once they receive the letter, but it is their duty to follow meeting procedures, to give letters to assembly members. Which is countering or in a way standing in the way of their invitation. On assembly member mananya, appointment mananya. That no nya koya for again. Now, assembly member ma you the court. After you be all d'accord, you the court. Once the writ is signed and belly fava deliver call, the status quo. Ale ngwale ko jebo no nema. If you mareke mate gbona aglo beta ewo tada na mbu never. Ajebo no nema. The person will continue to be the assembly member until the final determination of the case in court.
Okay, once I'm a court, I'm at a Trogavano, you do ongo.
Makpo parliament in Choba MP Rochain. Over Notara, more even he do homori. Don't even he do home. We are not in the jungle. We are governed by rules and regulations, laws. Ta Obanejo, look at what. Oh, High Court rule by you nullify for election. He went on an appeal to stay proceedings, and then he appealed. And it was upheld by the speaker. Yes, that is the law. It's not wishful thinking. The appeal process is the right of the individual. So they cannot remove him now until the appeal is exhausted. Ta asade doli asado webo guide mi amagblue mi amayoke ote marana be tashire nkujina o asa na nye kpo no jimagbanu ta amareke makpomo ikama ma wudola samu atashire nkujina o. The presiding members know best. They know what they have to do, and they will do it. I have my trust in the presiding members of the House, but they know, and these acts are very explicitly written. All are clear. There's no ambiguity about the acts. You don't need a rocket scientist to come and decode this act. Otherwise, they will not create it for us. Open our capacity, even in the area of this art. We've gone through a lot of workshops, how we have to behave, how we have to conduct our meetings, and a lot more. Yes.
Right.
So, nobody's going to wait until that day.
The judgment day.
That because it's the duty of the presiding member to invite you. Okay, there's Patrick difference at the difference inaugural meeting Markham assembly member.
Okay.
America elect other areas so what we elected assembly members. Now appointed members so Okonak Balanu through the assembly. But that they are nova. Tanak Balelo Shiko. Mateo Nyago. Kaka to spring a surprise in the house. The law will not allow you. There's nothing in the act that says that. Baba at 462 ani alama ikebote umana wa parliamentary umara.
Okay.
Yes. So na magaruja kona the detoji again.
All right.
Yes.
Akwa let me ho makarajiba novice so ko mia chola ndia toji.
Hello?
So okay.
I have a letter here.
Okay.
Anglican District Assembly. Invitation to special meeting. You are hereby summoned to attend a special meeting of the Anglican District Assembly scheduled as follows. Thursday, 7th October 2021, 1 p.m. District Assembly Hall. Agenda, opening prayer, approval of the president nominee as the district chief executive, swearing in of the district chief executive, closing. One item agenda, man. By a copy of this letter, the district electoral officer is invited to attend this meeting and conduct the electoral processes for the approval of the district chief executive. All heads of department, units, security agencies are invited to attend the meeting and be on time. Thank you. Signed, Honorable Joseph K. Pata, presiding member. Distribution to all honorable assembly members, Anglican District Assembly, all honorable member of parliament, Anglo constituency, the district coordinating director, copy, the district finance officer, copy, the district budget analyst, copy, motto, the Kawawa, Kutrekuku, Ngoyi. This letter was issued to Honorable Adeje. Honorable Adeje Voleteha.
Okay.
It's an appointee. So it means that the process is on. Because if you are calling somebody for a meeting, the normal meeting is 14 days. Special meetings at the discretion of the presiding member. Some other meetings, emergency meeting, 7 days. I may be wrong. It's a long time I've visited my model order.
Okay.
So it means that Anglican is doing the right thing. The presiding member, kudos. Yeah, you are doing the right thing.
A letter, ma'am.
Yes, a letter, ma'am. Not prepared because these are honorable members. They need to have their letters. Once you also get yours from the Regional Coordinating Council, informing you of the nominee. These are all at the discretion of the presiding member.
Okay.
But for conventions, whenever convention, it has been something that we have practiced for a very long time. But the regional minister and his entourage will try and visit almost all the districts. For the sake of he visiting almost all the districts, there must be a timetable. There are conventions, but the law doesn't say that.
Okay.
The law says that the presiding member, once you receive this, you fix a date.
Okay.
Kaka, we respect conventions. Conventions are not punishable, but they are front at. No, you were Obamuga to line. Naba Mara crossing the line. Only to get out. I'm going, hey, I come on your road, the Gamora Kamatao.
Okay.
I have seen this letter, and this letter, you see it, it's here.
Okay.
Yes, and I think this will allay the fears of those who think that people are threatening them with revocations and things that they have not been revoked.
Okay.
And no law will back their revocation. So they can seek any court of this thing. Yes.
Right, apa gamma kwecha chitra miano call line so blink mala gbagba mi got 10 of you hogara kamofo okoro azole langoba agba yama no ton eli gbanto enya torodo avalia enya mabubu aton lia enya nunyu popo bubu to makafi wonya ofo na nunyu adana bu amangu ye wo donato ha akpena o nye ntomaga ogbadashia akpena oda ogbadashia okatanta. Right, let me pick the very last caller. Ma pick Daria fi na no anu madam. No fi kela kaji.
Ya Patrick.
Oh, so yo fa dumaga.
Ya ko fi baze mo no kaji jiji ntonye you need akata voice.
Ojina fa, wezo.
Aka nya original chairman anu madam a. Taflache na radio ma fa kata o enye don. Akpe amuru ko tuna afocho lo mo ko taflache. Taflache maru ko fona cholo mo ko. Nye kevan bonalo sa ko jina ba yo blo yo station role duya ma fie goji dem no ka ko agenda obo go no makafonya ikunya ni ya go kolilo oguna regaralo o nya galo papa nya to do nya ga o nya ku ken assembly ya ni assembly ka tan keli yami la duya me nya ma dromi nyore ana dum madare oli alaka agbenya sira yenya kata mila toji sani okata asao de magbana ni yo ya tsiraji kana muka kona me ku dora kare o la boko magawe fine tumafi onya e magamba na me magamba da tumafi onya ya abaroji ya na fa assembly amare na kata na trona mi kata na chimami yo habo nyao nyako no o ba prove mona mi iko tinyela ona ba ko fi onya mate sebana ubunu habo nya muga we obunu dok asembamo muga tiu obunu wala ka maga ba shagba ko bo aba amama fuma ke regional chairman gba party ba simu la gba party la gba ko ba simu la ta ala ba ko re se fala fo ala ba ko ma chama dama ona ba ko fi wonya me ga na mara kasi aba diga da kona da indosa imana ka magao abalo go mo jeno achora kana toro ga sita agenda wo ba o do mura go do ma bunu funa filmano muga indosa yemao so gba mata joga chola banana ka mala ka assembly yamu atona ko chimela sana amu ko ba osita agenda ba ko fi onya ban kwela mama ko fi onya ban kwela ela ngoro mata yo gbon sonwa ya ma jijaga no gba ma jijaga no so ato ni wala ko nyegola imo ogbo bade ata ni gba shago ko ya wala ya 100% ya ri yo ba ko 70 ya no 80 ta mo sheba no gbo amara yire gbo damagbana mama ye muta ko mama ye mara kama iregbo ye siaba anya nta sala arojio ta adoko mi bono ba wona mi ye manna kata minya do tawo minya me fumo vi onya ta nafa mara ko susore kave ba ba woni yarako na ba wo dokwe atua na ba wo dokwe to ko timila da agenda mo setimo la mo ji na no akako to kama ko ma o to ko
all right akwa mi gata no fibu baraka hoga ede kamu koshira nu he makarajiba na koshira ajagom kamia gara confirmation week kama na lo nyako mia amadado saga honorable mia apo nyata pie ko mia achola ndia toji
yeah Patrick akpa Majima Zemon Popoya, I appeal na assembly members, both elected and appointed. But Kukuno, I'm a Duplola Economico. Mia Dashireji. Mia Dashireji. Ne, anu la playa mane no vadi. Awana kata. Ne kata na kungo boyi. Anglogan, the same thing. But appeal the assembly members in Anglogan, both elected and appointed. But Oja Agba, the Flache, I'm a president economic or me. But I appeal in the assembly members who kata the voters in Akata, both appointed and elected. This is a passionate appeal, but no consider the nominees by the president. Not Dakono. It's an appeal I'm making to them as the regional chairman of the region. That I'm pleading with them to do the needful. To appeal, I'm appealing to them to vote for the president's nominees across the region. Thank you very much.
Right, thank you very much, Honorable Makafui Kofi Wanya. He is the regional chairman in the Volta region here for the NPP. He was in the House and we talked extensively about the nomination of the MMDCs in the whole region so far. We've had some clarifications, lots of education this morning. I want to say a very big thank you to my producers, Edward Kessie, Piero, Martin Ronnie, Daniel, and of course the chief security is around Okoro, and the entire team, of course, Dennis for passing through his sports. Thank you to all those who listen from